Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the final update to the Dune Sandcrawler. And yeah, that final assembly, it was a thing. Uh, but before I get into that, I'll give a little bit of a turnaround here. So for the base color, I went with TS33 Dull Red, which over the gray primer kind of comes out as a brownish red. And then I just went at it with tan, beige, some Tamiya weathering effects, gray, off-white, and just kept doing light mist coats across the bottom to try to build up that sandy appearance. I didn't want to completely coat it in sand. I just wanted it to look like it was a decently maintained but still used vehicle. So now on to some of the less fun parts of the build. You can see I replaced both gun barrels here because they could not be drilled out. I discovered with the chin greeble here, you try to drill anything out and the plastic shatters. Same thing up here. There's this little hairline crack right there because the canopy frame will not flex around the glass anymore. So what I had to do is I had to cut the glass canopy right here, and then assemble the pieces into the frame. It turned out okay at the end, but just about derailed the whole project there. Had a similar issue with the axles here. That one's okay, but the one on this side actually snapped off right at the hull, so I had to drill that out and put a stainless steel rod in there to support it. So just a word of caution that if you do pick up one of these kits now, the plastic may have gone brittle over the years. Still, it goes together okay once you get that taken care of. The roller still works. A little bit of detail for the suspension there. And yeah, overall, I'm not unhappy with it. In fact, if it wasn't for everything trying to break on me at the final assembly, this was actually a pretty decent kit to put together. It is an odd-looking craft, though, and just for a little bit of a size comparison, here it is with the Mad Max Holden Sandman that I just finished up. So that'll do it for the Dune Sandcrawler. Neat kit, interesting, unique subject matter. Brittle as all get out plastic though, so like I said, if you pick one of these up used, just be real careful and take your time with it. But otherwise, that's a wrap. So I'm going to have a new project next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.